So hi, my name is Anmoldeep Kaur and I'm pursuing BCom Honours from Lovely Professional University. And prior to coming to this university, I was very intrigued about the financial market. But when I came here, I got to know that Honours course included this information and information about the financial market. So it was very interesting to know that. It started from the very first semester and we got a faculty who teaches everything from the very basics and foundations of the financial markets. So they taught us about the candlestick patterns, charts and trends, and we also got to know many more things about how to analyze it and find the profitable prospects. Key insight I would say that is to diversify your portfolio and not invest in one type of segment in the market. So not necessarily challenging, but it was very enlightening for us because we didn't actually invest our money at that point of time, but we had to identify the patterns and see what it results to in the further of the chart patterns to see if it actually the facts are true or not, and to judge if the pattern which we saw and we made our decision was truly correct or not. Getting the seed money was very exciting, but at the same time I was quite nervous because you have to invest it independently. But it made me feel very confident, and the strategy at that time was, of course, you had to consult with our mentors for it. Secondly, the same strategy that we had to take different sectors and segments to invest in, maybe like banking, also like makeup or fashion, so that we get different aspects of it. Actually, it changed quite a bit because at the beginning of it, we were investing based on fundamental things. But as we gradually knew more about it, so we started investing by looking at the technical aspects of it, like maybe the RSIs or also the moving averages. So thinking of technical aspects so that it gives us more true picture of the market. That has made me very confident about my investment decisions because in the beginning of it we just thought of it as a very big market, but now we can actually judge it and actually invest our own money into it and be profitable. From the very beginning of this course, why I chose commerce was to be included in any financial market or data analyst. By this course, it has given me so much more confidence in myself so that I can further try to be a wealth manager in a company, manage my own funds more efficiently. My suggestion is that it's a very good opportunity to start young at very early age into this, because further it's just only growth, and we see that how much only the share market is growing and it is volatile, but if you have the information, if you have those mentors with you, it's very easy for you to make the decision. And the thing which I think that I should have known before getting into this course is that I should have known my objective more properly, like why I want to learn about it more, because at that time, with all the other courses you take it as secondary, but it helps you manage your own personality very well. It gives you confidence to make financial decisions. It makes you feel more independent. So that's what I would suggest.